Hello friends, welcome to Arshid Stock Business News. Friends, today we are going to see the latest update regarding to Dixon Technologies and Indian mobile manufacturing. So friends, here we are going to see despite COVID delays by October last year, the country has cleared 16 proposals from global and domestic companies involving an investment of 11,000 crores and manufactures mobile handset worth 10.5 lakh crores over the next 5 years. And friends, as you all know, PLI schemes and other related things, just briefly we are going to look which companies will get benefited in this. Friends, after China, India is the next smartphone capital of the world, and India is planning to take that as a number one within 5 years by providing PLI schemes. So friends, already so many of companies like Lava and Apple manufacturing started in India by investing hugely this year. And friends, see here, uh, the Ministry of Electronics of IT, the applications of Samsung, Foxconn, and Pegatron, Rising Star, and Westron from among the international applicants for manufacturing of mobile phones in India under PLI scheme was approved. And like domestics, Lava, Micromax, Padget Electronics, which belongs to Dixon Technologies, and UTL, Neolec, and Optimus Electronics. These companies are domestic companies approved by Indian government. So friends, going forward, India is designing its manufacturing capacities and labor into an electronic side, giving a skill development of the manpower to provide and excel in their skills. So friends, here if you see anything about R&D of Lava, they are shifting entire mobile R&D design and manufacturing for the export market from China to India and nearly investing 800 crores. So we are going to see a huge development, and I already mentioned, don't sell Dixon Technologies. It's a growth potential company already having its future plan, infrastructure, everything. If few companies are coming, still it has its worth to hold. And next one, see friends, here Apple told earlier this month that flagship and environmental friendly iPhone 12 smartphones will be produced in India for the local customers. That means they will produce manufacturing here itself, and they will sell that company that phones in India. So Samsung also, Samsung what you called, few companies, Samsung and other companies partnered with Dixon Technologies recently. Motorola, Samsung, and Lenovo. These are the companies which partnered with Dixon recently. And going forward, we are seeing a huge benefit for Dixon Technologies with the concepts of Make in India, local for vocal, think electronic, think India. The growth story is now gaining tremendous traction, friends. The PLI schemes, which already give agnostic incentives of $5 billion for the next 5 years, out of which 60% is set to go for exports to overseas markets. This is the main thing which we are going to see, exports. So friends, I am expecting it will give still multi returns after split in Dixon Technologies. And I hope you all love the news. If you like our videos, please subscribe my channel, share my channel, friends.